Hi you guys, my name is Cynthia. I am a beauty advisor here at EBIN, New York. Today I wanted to introduce you guys to the latest edition, our new collection, the Sports Edition. It's water resistant, sweat resistant, and infused with Rosemary Mint. Oh my gosh, let's get started. To ensure secure wig installation, we recommend using Skin Protector as the first installation step. Spray the Skin Protector from 2 to 4 inches away from the hairline and wipe with a clean cloth or cotton. This is our lace glue. Now on a clean canvas, we're going to add a few drops of the Sports Edition lace bond, formulated to be water resistant to make sure your wig stays on even through the most extreme sport. Spread the bond into a thin layer and wait until the bond turns clear and tacky. Pull the wig forward, press it on the forehead, and hold it securely until it dries. After holding it down with the adhesive, spray the Sports Edition adhesive spray 2 to 4 inches away from the hairline. Our Sports Edition adhesive spray gives a strong and reliable hold that is 30 times stronger. Here is our melt trio. As you guys know, we have 3 different types of melt products: pump type, aerosol type, and mousse type. It's all infused with Rosemary Mint. Here is our melted mousse type. After the lace is melted, we are going to go over how to mold the edges with the Sports Edition lace melt mousse. Use this fluffy foam to mold the baby hairs as you wish. This is our remover. To remove the strong adhesive, we recommend using Sports Edition remover as a stronger bond remover. Spray the remover on the hairline where the adhesive is, let it sit for a few minutes, and slowly remove the wig.